This video will explain how to install the Breakaway RS5000 kit. Start by removing the trim at the base of the door. Pull back the carpet under the brake pedal, exposing the steel floorboard. Locate a spot to drill a hole in the floorboard for the cable conduit to pass through. From underneath the vehicle, drill a half-inch hole in the predetermined spot to ensure that you will be drilling through the floorboard only. Back inside the vehicle, screw the steel fitting on the black cable conduit all the way into the hole on the right side of the floor bracket. With a wrench, tighten the nut up against the floor bracket. Slip the black cable conduit down through the half-inch hole in the floorboard. Wrap a cable conduit clamp around the cable conduit and screw it into the floorboard using one of the provided self-tapping screws. Locate a secure spot on the frame of the vehicle. With the yellow loop facing the front of the vehicle, mount the breakaway body to the frame using the provided self-tapping screws. Establish a route for the black cable conduit from the hole in the floorboard. Secure the conduit 1 or 2 times, depending on the distance to the breakaway body, with the provided self-tapping screws and conduit clamps. Cut off the conduit, leaving about 5 inches of clearance in between the body and the conduit. From the breakaway box, run the yellow loop to the front bumper. Secure it close to the driver's side at the base plate using the provided zip ties. From the breakaway box, insert the aircraft cable into the cable conduit and feed it all the way through until it comes out by the brake pedal inside the vehicle. Inside the vehicle, take the aircraft cable sticking out of the floor bracket and loop it around the brake pedal arm. Secure the cable to itself using the provided wire rope clip. Cut the excess aircraft cable off. Move carpet back into place. And replace trim at the base of the door. On the breakaway body, tighten the nylon bolt end all the way down. Then screw the nut down against the breakaway box. Using a grease gun, pump several pumps into the Zerk fitting on the breakaway body until grease comes out of the front where the aircraft cable is coming out. Wrap the 2-foot-long piece of aircraft cable around the frame bumper of the motorhome and secure it tightly in a loop with the 2 provided horseshoe saddle clamps. Fasten the first snap hook to the aircraft cable loop on the motorhome. Clip the second snap hook to the shear link that is connected to the loop on the front of the tow car. Secure the loose yellow sling cable to the tow bar using zip ties. In the event your tow car breaks away from your motorhome, here is how to release the breakaway cable. Have someone push on the brake pedal, releasing the pressure on the aircraft cable. On the breakaway box, place your fingernail against the outer chrome button and press in. This will release the internal ball bearings, allowing the aircraft cable to move freely. If it is still hard to get the aircraft cable to move, unscrew the nylon nut and bolt, then repeat pushing the brake pedal and pressing the outer chrome button. The installation of the RS5000 kit is complete. Now you are ready to tow your vehicle. Good luck and happy motoring down the road.